Hello and good morning to all students. Let us start our new topic. The name of the topic is matrices. Okay, name of the topic is our matrices. So, what is mean by matrices? Matrices is just plural form of matrix. Okay, so what is my matrix? Matrix means just the arrangement of the given numbers in row and the column wise. Okay, suppose here the numbers are written like this: 5, 2, 8, 0, 2, 9, and these numbers are arranged in two rows. Here row number first and row number second, and column number first, column number second, and column number third. So how many rows are row number 1, row number 2? Right here 2. Here column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. Write 3 here. So this is the order. 3 multiplied by 2, how much? 6. Means arrangement of 6 numbers in 2 rows and 3 columns. This arrangement is called a matrix, and the numbers are enclosed between this bracket, and the matrix is denoted by using capital letters. Suppose capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. Okay, this presentation is the matrix. Okay, the arrangement of how many elements here? 6 elements in 2 rows and 3 columns. Means what? This technique, this type of presentation is the matrix. Okay, just see here our definition. The here an arrangement of here mn numbers. Here how many numbers? 6 numbers. So what is m? M represent rows. Here see here, this 2 means our row and this 3 means column. Capital R represent row by column. This is the order of matrix. See here, the arrangement of mn numbers in m rows and n columns enclosed in a square bracket. The numbers are arranged in a enclosed between square bracket is called a matrix of order. This order written here of order m by n. Generally the matrix is denoted by using capital letters. This is a general definition. Capital A equal to here Aij. Capital A equal to Aij, order m by n. And what is Aij? Aij means here the numbers are written here. All the numbers are represented like this: Aij. Aij is the element of a matrix in ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. This I for row and this j for column. Okay, we can represent this like this. Here A11, A12, A13. Here A21, A22, A23. Order is 2 by 3. Look here, A11, 1, not, it is not 11, 12, 13, but 1 means represent first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. This, look here, 1, 1, 1 represent first row. Similarly 2, 2, 2 represent second row. And now look here, this is 1, 1 column number first. Here 2, 2 column number 2, 3, 3 column number 3. This is the these are the arrangement of numbers, arrangement of elements in row wise and the column wise. In a general we can say as a capital A equal to all the elements are represent like this: Aij, and here m by n. Here m represent rows and n represent the column. Okay, thus we can construct different types of matrices according to given how the given numbers we can arrange. Okay, so suppose a number written like this 7, 8, 6. These are three numbers. Three numbers are arranged according to only one row and column how much? Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. This is also matrix. Okay, so second matrix 8, 5 here. One row and column 2. This is also matrix. Okay, suppose one more condition, capital C equal to 3, 0, 9, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Order 3 by 3. One more, suppose here only 5, order 1 by 1. How many elements are arranged? 3 into 1. 3 elements are arranged in a row wise. Here 2 multiplied by 1. 2 elements arranged according to one row. Here 3, 3, 3. 3 multiplied by 3. 9 elements are arranged according to 3 rows and 3 columns. Here only 1 element is arranged. So 1 row and 1 column. These are different examples of the matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but the arrangement of the given numbers, given real number or the complex number in the rows or columns enclosed between a bracket. Okay, the matrices or the matrix is denoted by using the capital letters and elements in it we can represent by a small letters. Okay, this is about the matrix. Okay, now let us see equality of matrices. Next point is here, equality of matrices. Okay, next point here, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Look here, suppose a matrix is given. Suppose a matrix is given like this 5, 2, 0, 1, 4, 7. Order is 2, 2 rows, columns are 3. So this is order 2 by 3. This is matrix A. Take another matrix B. Suppose again 5, 0, 2, 1, 4, 7. Order again 2 by 3. Look here. Here A and B are the two matrices given and observe the numbers in it. The numbers are like this. In first row 5 to 0. This is in first row of matrix A. Similarly, look here in second matrix 5 to 0. Same numbers are arranged like this. In second row here in matrix first 1, 4, 7. Here also 1, 4, 7. Means here this type of matrix we can say as equal matrices. So here matrix A equal to matrix what? B. Two matrices are said to be, in general we can say here A equal to what? B. A equal to B. For which condition? Aij equal to Bij. Condition is here. For equal matrices, what is condition? Aij equal to what? Bij. I means 1, 2, 3. J means again 1, 2, 3 here also. So a general definition we can say as suppose A equal to the matrix Aij having order m by n. B matrix is equal to again Bij, order m by n. These matrices are said to be equal if Aij equal to what? Bij, then we can say A, capital A, matrix A equal to matrix B. This type of presentation of the given numbers we can say as a equal matrix or equality of two matrices. Okay, so this is about equality of two matrices. In general, that is conclusion from this we can say as a two matrices are said to be equal if corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements, first position is 5, here also 5. Second position is 2 here also 2. Third position here 0, here also 0. Here in second row, first position 1, here also 1. Second position 4, here also 4. Here 7, here also 7. This type of means if the corresponding elements are same, then the matrix A is said to equal to B. Here most important condition is if the matrix is given of different order. Suppose instead of this, if you take the different matrix B equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This matrix is of order 2 by 2. Can we say these two matrices are equal? Because here order is 2 by 3. See here order 2 rows, columns are 3, 2 by 3. Here order 2 by 2. Orders are not same. Orders are not same. Also elements are, corresponding elements are also not same. So these elements are not, these matrices are not equal. Okay. Let us see the types of matrices. Look here. Types of matrices. Number first, a row matrix. First point here, a row matrix. Okay. Name is sufficient here. What is row matrix? Name is given. Row matrix means matrix having only one row. Okay. For example here, suppose a matrix A is given here 0, 5, 3. Okay. This is a matrix. How many rows? Only one row. Columns are 3. This second matrix now, suppose here 0, 5, 2, 8. Here 1, 3, 8, 1. Orders are 2 rows and columns are 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 by 4. This is order 2 by 4. One more. C equal to here. Another matrix C equal to 5, 2. Orders are 1 by 2. Okay. Now in these three figures, 3 examples, see first example. First example A equal to 0, 5, 3. First row, column 3. But the second matrix B is equal to 0, 5, 2, 8. Here second row 1, 3, 8, 1. 2 by 4. Here order is different because here we are here discussing with row matrix. This is a row matrix, no doubt. First look, first number is 1. This is first row, column different. This is first row, column different. But here this is the example given here second is a not row matrix, means a matrix having only one row. For that suppose I take like this 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 10. What is the order? One row and columns are 1, 2, 3, 4. One more example 5, 2. One row and columns are 2. Suppose D example here, D matrix, suppose 7. What is the order? 1 by 1. So these are the examples of row matrix. Look here, order. What order? Order here. R by C. First R represent row and second represent here column. So here is a first, here is 1, here is 1, here is also 1. This 1 represent matrices, all the matrices having only one row, hence this matrix is called row matrix. So in a general we can say capital A equal to Aij, M by N is called row matrix, is called row matrix if, what will be the condition? Row matrix if what? Here M equal to 1. M equal to 1. Look here, if we put M equal to 1, then we get, that is A equal to Aij, order here 1 by N is row matrix. This is a row matrix. Okay, this is about our row matrix, very easy one. Okay, let us take a second type, that is column matrix, number 2 here. Column matrix. Okay, for the column matrix, only a matrix, suppose a matrix is here 5, 2, minus 1. What is the order here? Rows are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and column 1. Second matrix, B matrix. Suppose 2 and 10. How many rows? 2 rows and columns 1. Okay, here C matrix. Suppose only 5 here, order 1 by 1. Now we are discussing here column matrix. For column matrix, the matrix should be in column form, only one column. Matrix having one column only. Here, look here, this is row and column. Here, look here, 1, 1, 1. So this type of matrices we can say as a column matrices. Okay, matrix is said to be a column matrix if number of columns, how much? Number of columns must be 1 there. So in general, a definition is here like this: capital Aij matrix, matrix A equal to Aij. Aij means elements in that matrix. A equal to Aij, order is here M by N, is called a column matrix. Here is called column matrix if instead of this we can say as a n equal to 1. N equal to 1. Thus A equal to Aij, here order must be here M by 1. This condition is important. A equal to Aij, M by 1 is a column matrix. Is a column, is a column matrix. Okay, is a column matrix. Okay, this is a second type of matrix. Okay, let us see now third type of a matrix. The name of the matrix is rectangular matrix. Third type, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Okay. The numbers are arranged according to rectangle form. Rectangle, you know, geometrical concept, triangle, quadrilateral, rectangle, square. So look here, this is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Here AB not equal to what? BC. AB not equal to BC. Hence this angle at here 90, here 90, here 90, 90. This figure represent a rectangle. here this is a length, this is a breadth. Breadth is smaller than the length. So this figure is a rectangle. So try to arrange the number in this way. Suppose a number is like this. Suppose name of the matrix is A and the elements are enclosed in this bracket. I am taking number here 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Here 4, 0, 5. Look here. Here how many rows are here? 2 rows. Look here, row number 1 and row number 2. 2 rows. And columns are column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. So 2 by 3. So this is a rectangular matrix. Why it is a rectangular matrix? Because here order is 2 by 3. Number first 2 means rows. This 3 means columns. Here row by column. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. This gives the main definition of rectangular matrix. So okay, let's see one more example. This is equal to, suppose 1, 2, 7, 5, 0, 0, 0, 2. What will order here? 2 rows and column 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 4. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So this is again a rectangular matrix. So in a general definition, we can write it as A equal to as A order M by A is called here rectangular matrix is called a rectangular matrix is called rectangular matrix. What will the condition? If M not equal to N, M not equal to N. What is M? M means number of rows, that is number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So this type of matrix is called rectangular matrix. Okay. But if the number of rows equal to number of columns, then what will happen? It will be a square matrix, and that is the new type of matrix. So here instead of rectangular matrix, we can say as a square matrix. Number 4, square matrix. Square matrix. For square matrix, here suppose 1, 2, 5, 0, 2 rows and 2 columns. Look here, 2 rows, row number 1, row number 2, column number 1, column number 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. Second, suppose here 3, 0, 6, 1, 4, 7, 0, 0, minus 2. How many rows are here? 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, this type of matrix here, how many numbers? There are 4 numbers. 4 numbers are arranged in 2 rows and 2 columns. Here there are 9 numbers. 3 elements are arranged in row first, 3 elements are arranged in second row, 3 elements are arranged in third row. So 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is also a square matrix. So in a definition form, we can say as a, look here, matrix A equal to Aij M by N is called square matrix. Instead of this, we can say the is called square matrix. Square matrix if here M equal to N. If we can say the M equal dot n, here m and n are different one, but if they having same numbers, m equal to n, then that is we can say as here number of rows instead of this right here equal number of rows equal to number of columns. Okay, so this is about square matrix. Generally square matrix we can represent in standard form as, look here, A11, A12, A13. Okay, second A21, A22, A23. Okay, here A31, A32, A33. What is order? 3 by 3. This is a matrix whose order is here. Order is 3 by 3. Here number of rows, row number first, row number second, row number third. So these 3 represent rows. Number column first, column second, column third. So another 3 represent column. So this is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. So order is here 3 by 3. This is about a square matrix. Okay, now in this square matrix, look here, the elements, look here that the elements are written according to Aij. The elements are written in Aij. But here I, what is I? I means here, look at this element A11. 1 1. Don't say like this 11. It is a 1 means first row, first column. Here second row, second column. Third row, third column. These are the elements. The written like this are diagonal elements. These are diagonal elements. Okay, the elements at this position, that is Aij, the Aij, when for I equal to j, or we can say the simple, for I equal to j, look here, for I equal to j, I equal to j here, I equal to j 1 1, I equal to j 2 2, I equal to j 3 3. These 3 elements here 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. These elements for I equal to j, the elements Aij are diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. Okay, this is number first. Number 2, for I not equal to j, for I, look here, for I not equal to j, I not equal to this here, I not equal to j, I not equal to j, I not equal to 0. These 3 elements, the elements which are arranged here, these 3 elements are here also. 2 greater than 1, 3 greater than 1, 3 greater than 2. So these 3 elements and 3, there are 6 elements are also, we can say I not equal to j. Such elements, these elements, that is the elements Aij, are non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements. Okay, here these are the diagonal elements, and these 3 elements, the elements below the diagonal, and these 3 elements, the diagonal elements, are called principal elements, principal diagonal of a square matrix. Okay, let us see now diagonal matrix. Instead of this, number 5 as a diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix, for diagonal matrix, remember here, for diagonal matrix, the matrix should be in a square form. We know in a geometrical part, this is a rectangle and this is a square. Rectangle having this diagonal and this diagonal. Rectangle how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Square is also having 2 diagonals. But don't consider this concept in a matrix. Consider for matrix we are considering only diagonal matrix. For diagonal matrix it should be a square matrix but not rectangular matrix. So this type of matrix don't consider here now, only consider this. So it is a square, but for square how many diagonals? Two diagonals. But here, look here, this is a matrix 3 by 3. So this is the first diagonal, this is the other diagonal. But in matrix concept, the elements which are arranged like this not considered as the diagonal elements, only the elements which are arranged from this top to bottom, this type of position are the elements in a diagonal form. So what is the diagonal elements here? This is a square matrix. And what are diagonal elements? Diagonal elements here 1 and 2. These are diagonal elements. Okay, here diagonal elements are here 3, 4, minus 2. But for diagonal elements, one more condition is remaining elements should be 0. Non-diagonal elements. Here, which are non-diagonal elements here? Right here 0, here 0. Okay, this is a diagonal matrix. This is also here, instead of 1 write 0. Put all conditions 0. All the elements should be 0. So this is also diagonal matrix. So what is the diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are 0. It should be a square matrix. Look here. For a square matrix, this is a square matrix, order same. This is a square matrix, order same. And look here, non-diagonal elements 0. Here non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. Look here, this is for a square matrix here. For a square matrix, this, because order is 3 by 3. This is a diagonal element. For non-diagonal elements are 0. So we can say as here, in a general form we can say capital A equal to Aij. This is a general definition. Is said to be a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix if number 1 m equal to n. Here order m by n. Order should be m by n. M equal to n means what? M equal to n means it should be a square matrix. And number 2, all non-diagonal elements are 0. So Aij equal to 0. Elements should be 0. But which place? Non-diagonal elements. For I not equal to j. See here, I not equal to j. These are 3 conditions. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. So I not equal to j. For this condition, the elements are 0. And this type of matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Okay. So if this is about a diagonal matrix. Okay. Let us consider new type of matrix, that is if the numbers are same here. Suppose this is the number 4, this is also 4. Here 3, 3, 3. Look here, 4, 4, 2 by 2 matrix, 3, 3, 3. This type of matrix is called scalar matrix. Next type, that is scalar matrix. Okay, so look here. This is a scalar matrix. This is a scalar matrix because diagonal elements are looking same. So see here, our general definition, A equal to Aij is said to be a scalar matrix. Is said to be scalar matrix if it should be m equal to n means what? It should be a square matrix. And one more condition, it should be square matrix. Number 2, square matrix, all the diagonal elements, that is Aij Aij should be a particular fixed number. It is a k for, I am writing here k for I equal to j. And number 3, Aij is equal to 0, means elements must be 0 at the place I not equal to what? J. Here I equal to j. Okay, these are 3 conditions. This condition is more important. This gives us square matrix. Square matrix. Okay, so we can say as every scalar matrix is what? Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Look here. Diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are 0. Here diagonal matrix, non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but diagonal elements are same. And every scalar matrix is also a square matrix. Okay, this is about a scalar matrix. But instead of this 4 4, if I write here 1 1, here also instead of 3 3 3, 1 1 1, this matrix is of order 2 by 2. This matrix is of order 3 by 3. So this type of matrix we can say as a identity matrix. Identity matrix. This type of matrix is called identity matrix. Means what? It is a, look here, diagonal elements are looking same. So this is a diagonal matrix, this is a scalar matrix, and diagonal elements are same, that is 1 1 1. It is a identity matrix. So identity matrix denoted by capital I, here also I. The order is 2, so we can say as a I2. So this matrix also we can represent as a I3. Okay, suppose the matrix having 4 by 4, 5 by 5, just like n by n, such type of matrix we represented by In. In is identity matrix of order n. So in general form, matrix Aij, see the definition of this. Aij is a said to be, instead of scalar, here right here, that is identity. Identity matrix we can say as a unit matrix. We can say here also unit matrix. We can say as a here unit matrix. So what will unit matrix here? It should be first point here. Look here, m equal to n. Order should be same. Here m3. It should be square matrix. All the elements instead of k, if k equal to 1. K equal to 1 means, see here, at this position 1 1 1, because these are the elements in a diagonal form, diagonal elements for I equal to j, and for other elements I not equal to j, I not equal to j, I not equal to j, here also I not equal to j. For this condition 3 and 3, 6 condition, it should be all the elements are 0. So this is a general definition of a identity matrix, or we can say as a unit matrix. Okay, let us see a zero matrix. Now let us see a zero matrix. Zero matrix. Next point is here zero matrix. For zero matrix, all elements, all the numbers of a given matrix should be 0. Here order, what is the order of zero matrix? Any order. Suppose example written like this, here 0 0 0, all the elements are looking 0. Order is here 1 by first row column 1 2 3, 1 by 3. So this is a row matrix. Okay, this is a row matrix, but all the elements are 0. Hence this is a zero matrix. Zero matrix is denoted by like this, zero matrix 0. We can say this is a 0 equal to O equal to 0 0 0. One more condition. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is order? 2 rows and columns are 3. So this is again a 0 matrix. Okay. A matrix is said to be 0 matrix. See here, a matrix. This matrix is said to be, instead of this identity matrix, said to be a 0 matrix if all the elements are 0, if for all the if a is equal to 0, for all I equal to j, or I equal to j, or I not equal to j. For both the condition it should be a 0 matrix. It is denoted by 0. Okay, this is about 0 matrix. Okay, let us see now triangular matrix. Next type of matrix is a triangular matrix. Now triangular matrices, next type, triangular matrices. Triangular matrices. Here again there are two types, upper triangular matrix and the lower triangular matrix. Types of matrices, upper, this is a triangular matrices. Means what? Suppose a matrix is given like this. Here 7, 7, 4, 3, 0, 5, 2, here also 0, here 0, and here suppose 6. What is the order? Order is here 3 by 3. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3. But this matrix is in a square form. So this is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Look here. These are diagonal elements. These are diagonal elements. And non-diagonal elements are here. This position. 0, here 0, here 0. These elements are below the diagonal. These elements are below the diagonal, and above 4, 3, 2. These elements are above the diagonals. So if all the elements below the diagonals are 0, then this type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. So this is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular what? Matrix. This is about upper triangular matrix. Okay. Okay. Now what is general definition of upper triangular matrix? Okay. Look here. This is our general definition. A equal to this matrix is given. Okay. Matrix order 3 by 3. But here I am writing once again here. A equal to here first position A11, A12, A13. Here A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Order 3 by 3. For triangular matrix, what is the condition? Look here. These are diagonal elements. These are diagonal elements. And non-diagonal elements are at this position. This position. Okay. For a triangular matrix, for upper triangular matrix. For upper triangular matrix, what should be the condition? Condition is the elements at these 3 position must be 0. That is Aij equal to 0. Aij equal to 0 means what? Elements must be 0, but which place? At only this place, that is I greater than j. Look here. I greater than j means what? Here 2 greater than 1. 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 2 means I greater than j, I greater than j, I greater than j. This is a important condition for upper triangular matrix. This is the example for upper triangular matrix. We can say the one more example having matrix having order 2. So this is our first example. What is the another example for 2 by 2 matrix? A equal to, we can say here 7, 4, here 0, 8. Look here, order 2 by 2. These are diagonal elements, and the non-diagonal elements here 0. This is a 0. So this is a upper triangular matrix. But if we consider the elements at these three positions 0, then what will happen? It is a lower triangular matrix. This is another type, that is lower triangular matrix. I am changing here the elements. Next type of matrix we have discussed here, upper triangular matrix. This is part first type, and number 2, lower triangular matrix. What will example for lower triangular matrix? Look here. Example for lower triangular matrix, A equal to, what will be the, take a square matrix. Suppose here 4, 0, 0, 9, 5, 0, here 8, 7, 1, order 3 by 3. Look here, these are diagonal elements, but the elements above the diagonal are 0. This is called lower triangular matrix. See here, for the general definition for matrix, look here, for the matrix A equal to, I am writing here this matrix A equal to, elements are here written. For instead of upper, light here lower triangular matrix, what will condition for a lower triangular matrix? Lower triangular, what is the condition? Elements above the here diagonal. This is our principal diagonal. Elements must be 0 at this position. This position must be 0. This position must be 0, and this also. So elements equal to 0 for I. Look here, I less than 0 is, look here, I less than 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3. Here 2 less than 3 means I less than j, I less than j, I less than j means I less than j. This type of matrix is called lower triangular matrix. Take one more example. This is equal to A equal to 7, 0, 5 minus 1. Which type of matrix here? Which type of matrix? This matrix here, these are diagonal elements, and the elements above the diagonal is here 0. So this is what? This is a lower triangular matrix. Okay. Thus we have discussed the types of matrices, that is column matrix. Column matrix means matrix having one column. After that, row matrix, matrix having only one row. After that, if the matrix is written in square bracket, number of rows are not equal to number of columns, then it is a rectangular matrix. After that, we have discussed square matrix. Order must be same. If the matrix having order 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, so we can say as a square matrix. After that, in a square matrix, if the diagonal elements are given only other than 0, but non-diagonal elements are 0, it is a diagonal matrix. Means diagonal matrix means here, once again here. For a square matrix, what will condition? Square matrix 7, 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 8, 3, 2. This is a matrix about 3 by 3. These are diagonal elements and these are 3 and these 3, 6 are non-diagonal elements. This is a square matrix. But for diagonal matrix, it should be like this: 7, 8, 2. Here should be 0, here should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Look here, 3 by 3. This represent diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix we can represent like this: DIA, diagonal, diagonal of A. Diagonal matrix we can say as a only 7, 8, 2, and order here 3 by 3. So diagonal matrix can be represent like this. Okay, but if the numbers are same like this, 7, 7, 7, here also 7, 7, 7. So this is a scalar matrix. This is a scalar matrix. But if the elements are same like this, 1, 1, 1, here also 1, 1, 1, this is a identity matrix. Okay, so all the types are depend on each other. Okay, this is about scalar matrix, so we can say the identity matrix. After that, we have discussed zero matrix, matrix having all the elements in it 0, just like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is about a zero matrix. After that, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix, for a triangular matrix, the given matrix should be in a square form, that is, it should be a square matrix, order 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. And if the elements below the diagonal 0, then it is upper triangular matrix. If the elements above the diagonal 0, then it is a lower triangular matrix. These are two different types of triangular matrices. Okay. Let us see general definition of the matrix. The elements are represented. First elements in a matrix denoted by capital A. So we can say the A, 1, 1. Look here, 1, 1 means first row, first column. Correct? Here, A1, 2. A1, 2 means first row, second column. Here, first row, third column. Okay. Same way, if you write like this, first row, fourth column, like this. First row, what? N column. Look here. See all the elements. 1, 1, 1, 1. Here also 1 means first row. Look here, column number 4. Here n means nth column. Similarly, try to write second row. A to 1. Here 2 means our second row is starting here and column remains same. A to 2. Here A to 3. Like that. A to 4. Here A to N. Okay. Here third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. Third row, fourth column. Like this. Third row, nth column. And if you write all the elements like this, mth row. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 means first row, second row means 2. Third row means 3. Here mth row, column first. Here AM2. Here AM3. Like that. Last number should be here AM and these are the arrangement of the elements, the position of the elements in a matrix, and order is here m by n. So this is the general definition of the given matrix. Okay. In next video we will discuss difference between determinant and a matrix. If we cannot find the value of matrix, but we can find value of determinant. So we will see in the next video a determinant of a matrix. After that, what is mean by singular matrix, what is by non-singular matrix, and some examples related to the particular types of matrices will be discussed in our next video. Thank you very much.